So here we've got the rear anti-roll bar drop link. These drop links are looking a little bit worse for wear now. These rubbers are starting to perish, so these are highly likely, especially on the other side, will be an MOT failure. So we're going to replace them. And in here I've got some nice new Meyle drop links. So there you go. So you can see what they are. It looks exactly the same. We'll need to reuse this bolt. But yeah, it should be undo these, undo that. It should come out quite easily, and then that will go in. So I need to change them in pairs, and while I'm currently doing work on the car anyway, and it's sitting on axle stands, it's the ideal opportunity. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray these with PlusGas, get them all nice and lubricated, and hopefully if there is anything seized up, then after PlusGas it will no longer be seized. Give that a well good soak in there. I've gone well overboard on that, but every little helps. And now on the other side, no, look at that. Try and not get my hands in the way. Look at that. That rubber has had it, so there we are. So yeah, that's definitely got to be replaced. Loads of PlusGas on it again. Let that work in and do its thing, and then get a spanner on here, socket on there, crank it off, and it should come loose. And I think I've got a 17mm socket at the bottom as well, so we loosen at the top first and get the bottom bit out, and it should just come out. So the 30mm spanner on here and a 15mm socket on the ratchet there. I've loosened that off there, and then we've got 17 just down there on the bottom, which I've loosened as well. I've just cracked that one off. Let's get it off. Well, a little bit of PlusGas there just to help lubricate everything. Okay, that came out nice and easy. There's one part of rubber. That one's not too bad, but the one on the other side is split. I'll clean that bolt up as well, so I want that. Now what we can do, a little bit of impact there just to dislodge everything else. Pull that out. There we are, and that's the drop link out. There's the old one. So we still want now that thread. It's all nicely greased up, which is good. We'll just clean it up a little bit. That's the old one, isn't it? So Now what we do with these, so new drop link and new rubber, rubber's not going to go through this hole, so I can cut that rubber in half, then place half of that rubber on here and the other half at the bottom, and then put the nut on, and then it will sit either side of that like that. So I'll do that quick. So now I've cut that in half. It better be the right thing to do, because otherwise I'm going to have to do this all again. And then if I take drop link, put one rub on it like that, the other bit of rubber will just go in there with the new washer and bolt afterwards. So what I'll try and do with this is put that new rubber, and drop it there. I'll put the other bit of rubber on, and then we've got a washer and a nice new nut. Now, if I can get that on, and zip that up a little bit, that will compress that rubber a bit, which will allow me to get the top bit in as well. Nice. Okay, that's nicely on. Oh, I'm not sure about that though. Just don't want to squash that rubber. Stop. Okay. Just that washer's not quite seated as centrally as I would like. Well, it's on. That's one drop link on. Should be nice and tight as well. Yeah, nice fresh rubber on it there. Perfect. Now I'll just do this exactly the same on the other side. And that's how you change a drop link.